what are the similarities or differences between accounting and finance? Yeah. So accounting is more of a science. You have to be precise, and it's backwards looking. Okay, you have to be precise. Everything has to add up perfectly. Now, finance is more of an art. You're looking forward. It's like you have a blank canvas, which is a financial model, and you're kind of modeling it and forecasting what the future is going to be. And you've got to be really uncomfortable. You got to be really comfortable with not knowing what the outcome is going to be. It's like you have a crystal ball. And in my course, the Complete Financial Analyst Training and Investing course, I teach you how to forecast. And I also teach you in my course called Introduction to Finance Accounting, Modeling Valuation, how to forecast the future. And so people in finance, maybe they're a little bit more creative because they're kind of looking forward and they feel comfortable with uncertainty. And you have to be comfortable knowing that you might be right within a 10 to 20% range, and that's good enough when you're forecasting the future, because there's so many unexpected things that can occur that are going to obfuscate or confuse or throw off your model and make it wrong and your target price wrong, like sector-specific stuff or geopolitical events you cannot control. Like if, Saudi or OPEC, whatever, changes the price of oil or the supply out there, or if there's more saber rattling between the United States and China, et cetera, that sort of thing. That's why I love to think very long-term in finance when I model the future. You can't just day trade. It's not going to work out well for you longer term, I promise you. So the bottom line is that accounting is a science. It's backwards looking, and finance is more of an art. It's long-term, future focused, and you have to be comfortable with uncertainty and know that you are going to be wrong a lot, and you have to model and value companies based on several different methodologies. I like to use price earnings, price to revenue, and DCF sometimes, so that I can minimize the margin for error when I'm forecasting target prices.